Ngau Jau dari Sarawak, Malaysia. Saya orang Ulu Kenyah. Rasa bertuahlah mewakili orang Ulu, mewakili Malaysia ke Expo di Osaka, Jepun ini. I started when I was working before as a teacher, So I left teaching because of promoting Malaysia. Tourism always bring me here and there. 20-30 years now playing sape for Malaysia. If you are interested in playing the sape, you can master it. There are so many of my students, they have no basic of other instrument. If you are interested and really want to learn, you come and stay with me. After 1 or 2 hours playing, they can play simple tune. This is my third day now playing for the people here. Very good response. I ask them, want to hear some more? Go to East Malaysia, Sarawak. I, Mathew Ngau Jau, on behalf of from Ulu, would like to thank the Tourism Malaysia as well, the MOTAC, for inviting me, for bringing me here, making Malaysia known to the world. Thank you very much.